The terminal connections are used to connect the circuit breaker on the enclosure busbar systems. The rear connections can be easily rotated horizontally or vertically in case specific adaptations are needed. Before operating, discharge the mainsprings and open the circuit breaker's contacts. Push on, discharge springs. Push off, open the contacts. Indicators must show open and spring discharged. For fixed versions, the rear connections are in the back of the ACB. For draw-out versions, the rear connections are in the back of the chassis. To change orientation, unscrew the terminal connections with a 6mm Allen key. Remove the 4 screws. Change the orientation and screw in the connections again. Respect the tightening torque provided in the documentation.